Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or uninstall or delete VLC Media Player on your Mac. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open the Finder on your Mac. And here you have to open the Applications folder. If you can't see the Applications folder on the left sidebar, then normally you have to click on the Go option and then you have to choose Applications. Now you will see an interface like this. Here you have to search VLC, and if you get the app, then normally right click on it and then choose Move to Trash. Now open your trash. And after that, click on the empty option and choose empty trash. That's it. We have successfully deleted, removed, or uninstalled VLC Media Player on Macs. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.